Hello, my name is Erik de Velthuis. I'm the head chef of the Athlete restaurant at the Olympic Training Centre at Papendal in Arnhem, the Netherlands. This is the high quality elite training center for the Dutch Olympic athletes. In the middle we can find the Topsport restaurant. Like everywhere on Papendal, the restaurant is operating in an environment with lots of research and innovations. Food has to be delicious, and just we are making the meals pure and fresh. The best fuel and the best recovery starts with the foundation of good nutrition. The last 3 years, Collagen from Peptan came along. First as try out and test, taking care of tendons and joints and muscle attachments, it felt directly good for the volleyball teams. From the talent teams till the national volleyball teams, ladies and men. Now the handball teams, BMX cycling, badminton, judo and the world best national wheelchair basketball teams are using it. How we are doing it? With my team we are taking care of the daily work in stock of this machine. We mix the Peptan about 15 grams at 100 milliliter of orange juice, which has a minimum guaranteed number of 48 milligrams vitamin C. In this recipe, it's nice drinkable. Our elite sporters are taking it from within themselves, so they like it and they feel the benefit. For out of home, we have also nice bottles. This is also 100 milliliter with orange juice and 15 grams of Peptan. And we also can distribute the powder in these pots when you are going abroad. So, I have to say now, cheers.